Welcome to Green Man Wellness, where ancient wellness meets modern times. Winter is here, and there's nothing like the warm, inviting scent of a homemade potpourri to fill your home with cozy vibes. Today, I'll show you how to make a spiced herbal potpourri that not only smells incredible, but also incorporates the timeless benefits of natural herbs and spices. Let's dive into this creative and fragrant winter project. Potpourri is an age-old tradition of blending dried flowers, herbs and spices to create a natural fragrance for the home. In the past, it was used not only for its pleasant aroma, but also for its therapeutic properties. For example, cinnamon and cloves were believed to ward off sickness, while citrus peels uplifted the mood. Today, we'll combine aesthetics and function to craft a winter-themed potpourri you'll love. Here's what you'll need to get started. Ingredients: dried orange or lemon peels for a zesty, uplifting scent, cinnamon sticks for a warm, spicy aroma, whole cloves for a rich, earthy fragrance, dried rosemary for herbal notes, star anise for a touch of sweetness, pine cones or dried cedar tips for a wintry vibe. Optional, essential oils like orange, cinnamon or pine for added fragrance. Tools: a mixing bowl, scissors for trimming herbs, a glass or ceramic potpourri dish for display. Airtight storage jars to preserve unused potpourri. Make sure to use organic and untreated materials to keep it safe and chemical-free. Step 1. Prepare your dried orange peels. If you don't have pre-dried peels, you can dry them at home. Simply peel an orange, cut the peel into thin strips and let them air dry for a few days. Alternatively, bake them at a low temperature for 1 to 2 hours. Step 2. Break your cinnamon sticks into smaller pieces for better scent distribution. Use your hands or a small hammer for this. Step 3. Gather your rosemary. If you're using fresh rosemary, let it dry completely by hanging it in a cool, dry place for a few days. Trim the sprigs into manageable sizes. Step 4. Prepare the pine cones. Ensure they're clean and dry. If they're damp, bake them at a low temperature to open them up and remove moisture. Once everything is ready, we'll start assembling. Step 1. In your mixing bowl, combine your dried orange peels, cinnamon sticks, cloves, rosemary and star anise. Adjust the quantities based on your preference: more cinnamon for a spicier scent or more citrus for a fresh aroma. Step 2. Add your pine cones or cedar tips for texture and a natural wintry feel. Step 3. If you'd like to intensify the fragrance, add a few drops of essential oils to the mix. I recommend 5 to 10 drops of orange or cinnamon oil. Gently toss the mixture to evenly distribute the oils. Step 4. Transfer the potpourri to your display dish. Layer it thoughtfully for a visually appealing result. You can use dried flowers or small ornaments for added decoration if you wish. Pro tip: if you're storing the potpourri for later use, place it in an airtight jar. Let it sit for a week to allow the scents to meld together beautifully. One of the best things about making your own potpourri is how customizable it is. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. For a floral winter blend, add dried roses, lavender or chamomile. For a holiday-themed potpourri, include dried cranberries or nutmeg. Experiment with other essential oils like peppermint for a refreshing twist or vanilla for a sweet, cozy vibe. Feel free to get creative and adapt the recipe to suit your preferences. Potpourri can last for weeks or even months if cared for properly. To keep the scent fresh, stir it occasionally and add a few drops of essential oil as needed. If the scent starts to fade significantly, you can refresh the potpourri by replacing some of the dried ingredients or adding new spices. Not only does this potpourri make your home smell amazing, but it also provides a natural alternative to synthetic air fresheners. The herbs and spices used can promote relaxation, uplift your mood, and even provide subtle therapeutic benefits during the colder months. Plus, it's a great eco-friendly project to do at home. And there you have it, a beautiful, fragrant and natural winter potpourri that's as good for the soul as it is for your home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more wellness-inspired DIYs. Stay warm, stay well, and I'll see you next time on Green Man Wellness. Like and subscribe. Join the wellness tribe.